What's up, guys? It is your boy Dr. Roblox Games, and today we are playing Spooky's Jump Scare Mansion. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with new game. So, yeah. Alright, start shit. Okay, there we go.
Hello, I am Spooky.
No, you're not. Oh.
And this is my home.
Okay.
Can you, humble player, make it through 1,000 rooms?
Probably not.
With us at the end. Or
Probably.
Because I don't really know.
Oh.
Anyway, just go.
That's cool. How do I get in? E. That seriously just get me? No, it didn't. You're running into that. It's kind of freaks you out. Stop. I like jump at every jump scare I see. Yeah, Freaky Fridays is coming back, by the way, guys. Yeah. What am I doing? Going through here now. Why do I feel like this is not a good idea? I love horror games. This is a kid-friendly one, so I can play it. Maybe. Oh, we went to 30 rooms. It was only 3 minutes. Alright, let's see if we can just do this, man. Just keep going for it. I'm not scared. You're scared. But these rooms get like harder and harder every time. Does it autosave? I mean, let's just go into room 50. Let's just go until room 50 and then we'll just do another video later. Go down room 47. I'm just going for it. Last room. Oh, yeah, good. We saved. Alright, that'll do it for this. Wait, what is this? Just seemed cute, but I was here for days now. I'm feeling quite parched now, and I have to keep getting this feeling like I'm being watched by something. This is not romantic at all. Oh, yep. Well, that's nothing good. I could end the recording now. Oh well. Yeah, well, that will be all for today. Thank you all for watching, and see you all later. Well, yeah. See ya. Bye.